Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Let me close this door. Hope you're all having a good day today. Problem I'm having is my DVR here that I use for my outside security cameras and stuff. It stopped connecting to the internet. Well, it's hardwired. Let's see if I can get this out of the way. It's hardwired with this router here, and I was going to change it and see if that's the problem. So I ordered a new one off Amazon, of course, and I want to see if that's the problem. So let's see what I got here. This one seems to be a little bigger. It's a PoE switch. This one was supplied by the internet provider, and they refused to come out and repair anything. That's going to be a whole new video later on what's going on with them, which I don't understand, because it's their equipment and it quit working. You would think they would come out and fix it, but they won't even answer the phone or anything. It's a terrible system, and you guys need to, eventually I will tell you all about it. But anyway, let's just try this thing out and see if it fixes my problem. I haven't seen one like this. This one comes with a heavy duty cord. It's not an adapter or anything. And it plugs in here just like an old computer type cable. So that's done. And I may have bought the wrong thing because I don't see where it says input. It's got 4 channels here. Let me get a little closer here. It's got these 4, and then it's got number 5 and number 6. It says 6-port 100M Ethernet switch with 4-port PoE. So one of them has to be an input, but I may have bought the wrong thing. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna I'm gonna disconnect all this over here. That's in number 5. That's from the internet. Unplug all these. Set this down here out of the way. And now I'm going to plug all these back in. I'm going to plug this in the last one. Okay, and now I'm going to plug the power in and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now we got some green lights. Got a bunch of lights flickering and stuff, so we'll see what happens here. See what happens. So now this is on an app on my phone. It works fine. It works fine through the TV. So let's go back to the TV. Okay, so you can see that's working. I don't know why that's up there. So now let's go back to the app on the phone. And click on the camera. It's not finding it. Select a device. That's the device. So I don't know. I don't know what happened. So now my speed's been real slow on my computer. Let me go over to my computer and I'm going to wake it up. And I got to see what my speed is on my computer. I mean, you probably don't care about none of that. This will take me just a second to see if it's working any better. Nah, that didn't fix the speed. I'm supposed to be getting a gig. Supposed to be getting 1 gig on my computer and of download and a gig up. That's what I'm paying for. But right now, it just tested. I'm getting 94 megabytes download and it looks like 80, 90. That's terrible speed. I don't understand. But anyway, I changed that switch. I'm still not able to connect to that. So maybe it's something wrong with that thing, with my DVR, because it is not connecting. So if any of you guys have one of these Wisenet DVRs, video recording systems, you have any ideas about how to make it connect again, make a comment down below and let me know. Other than that, I hope you watched till the end. Thanks for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep trying to fix some stuff around here. I guess that was a waste of money to order that, but it was only 20 bucks, so I got peace of mind knowing that that's not the problem. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.